outside. Literally, I ran out of my my helium little machine I had ran out of helium to blow the balloons. So me and Faith just had to run out, get some last minute things. I'm about to start put on the fish, but I am about to drop all of this in just now. My potatoes going, and I'm gonna put these actually into my pot for the escovage. So that is what I'm doing. Make sure I put everything in to put in. Actually going to put in the fish. I got my fish frying here, and I got my pickle for my escovage there, and I'm about to start the asparagus on in there. And I just have the rice to put on. Hubby's on his way home, so I need to get upstairs, go shower, and start putting myself together. So the next time when you guys see me, I will actually be probably ready and we'll be decorating. So if you see all the decoration, I took back everything down because I didn't want him coming home and seeing everything. He just thinks that we're just doing dinner and that's it. So he doesn't know that there's more to it than that, and got some more stuff. As you guys can see, we are currently getting ready. So I'm getting ready, I'm starting my makeup, and hubby's still not home yet. He's almost home. So I'm trying to make sure my makeup is done. I'm pretty much almost dressed so that me and the kids can decorate when he gets home and he goes and shower. I thought I just heard him downstairs, but it wasn't him. It wasn't him. I was listening out for him. So I'm gonna finish, do my makeup and my hair, and I will be back. So yeah, because I just finished showering. Everything is cooked and ready to go. I put everything like in the oven. So, and I'm hoping he doesn't come and go in the kitchen or in the, well, go in the kitchen, fridge or anything. He just comes home, comes straight upstairs and come shower and stuff like that. Usually takes like a good 15-20 minutes cool off before he goes and showers after work. So that will give me time to do what I'm doing, make sure everything's set up. Faith, do you guys still have your blindfold that you used to sleep with? And I could have blindfolded him to go down the stairs, which he tells me I'm not doing that, but I am going to blindfold him today. Today I get to, that's yeah, definitely, he's definitely getting my blindfold. So I'm just gonna hurry up, finish getting my face done and get my hair together. I'm still debating on my outfit. I had ordered some clothes and they have not come yet, and the dress that I was supposed to wear today for my anniversary is not here, unfortunately, but that's okay. I still have some other stuff that I haven't worn, so I guess I'm just going to have to try and pick from one of those things and rock that for today. You just gotta improvise. When you don't have your stuff, improvise. I'm finished. I'm just fixing my hair. Hubby is home and he's trying to go through the stuff. Like he's downstairs trying to be smart. But watch video. I'm about to get dressed. I am all ready, so I'm about to put my outfit on and I'll be back in the gym. We are starting to decorate downstairs. I'm not playing with you. Hey guys, we're getting real Jamaican bad with you. No, come down here.
how it looks. The font looks so nice. I love it.
Will you see it when it looks better when the lights turn on?
Yep. Other camera over there vlogging.
Oh,
So far away distance. It looks really nice. What happened?
No. Oh, you're gonna stretch. Don't add too.
It looks really nice. Does it looks far away?
Don't add too much photos. You way down the light. Well, that's fine. It's not gonna do nothing.
Here are the balloons.
I love that none of us.
There's a big one right there. That one right there. It says happy birthday. I like that one.
We're servants. We're not allowed
And
to be in any.
Mom is putting up some pictures
I've
and
been to the main
photos
one, so that's why I'm not in any photos.
of them. It's gonna be look so nice. One's decorating except me because I'm the vlogger. And
My back. Pick up.
so here are the photos. They're so cute. We have this one in big size.
Why do these keep going under the AC?
And here's some more photos. Are you guys
Lock it. Lock it.
another one? Here's the wedding one. Here is another one. And this one.
The white's supposed to be 9 years. I don't know if you're supposed to be extra something.
I'm gonna get perky dollar.
Wedding day.
I'll say a price low.
Alright guys. You don't want to high up. I'm
So
still
cute.
trying to get this together. I need the
Here's a little bit more.
You guys can actually see them.
And when you guys see in the when it's nighttime, you guys see in the dark, and it looks perfect. Mom's cleaning up, and look at these confetti's ball.
You know what time we have to Let me go here. Okay, hold on.
Right here. Look real nice. And it goes all the way up or stairs. Where's the dad?
Now stay.
And there is there's the menu. Everything looks so nice. My face is so cute. Look at this. See some screenshots in this. And there's another one.
Make me go to
Just I'm not vlogging your face. It's pretty. Down there to the step, like I said before. And more petal flowers.
You're supposed to be
is
thinking, Mom, you're
beautiful.
supposed to do okay, you're supposed to have phone
And
to me right now.
So, I am really excited. The rose petals are really nice. I like the rose petals. Rose petals all on fleek. All on fleek. Let's do that. Lead you guys all the way upstairs. Beautiful. Boop. Beautiful. And then you'll see this amazing, beautiful stuff.
Oh, that's okay. I understand what you mean now.
Okay. Here it looks.
Do you have any more
The
clothespins?
menus here.
Right, clothespin them down.
My menu doors. It's really funny.
Okay, there's clothes in here.
Menus. What?
It's just something that we didn't make any
My, so, and I made the menus. So, yeah. That was my one I just showed you. This is Fate's one.
Okay,
This is Fate's menu. I made my Fate one looks better than mine. Okay.
Welcome back to the vlog. Sorry for the darkness, I just got the ring light going. So I got the place all set up. The girls are still blowing up balloons. I'm gonna show you guys what it looked like. So this is dinner over here. So dinner is all set up and ready to go, right? So dinner's all set up. I got my laptop here because I'm gonna put on our wedding songs. And as you can see, there's the balloons, the decorations, and these are just memories of us from we started dating till now. So yeah, these are just some memories of us as well. So yeah, that's what it is, guys. So that is the setup. This was our first picture. Our first picture taken together, actually, if it will focus. Let me see. So this is our first picture taken together, our first date, and as you see, that's the one that we posted up. And there we go, the table is in a heart-shaped form. The girls did an actual menu, so they drew it themselves. And
it's the Williams restaurant.
It's the Williams restaurant, and there is
Fish.
The curry chicken, some brown
the menu.
stew chicken, some beef, white
Sorry,
rice.
I don't know why it's not focusing.
Potato salad and steak.
Oh shoot, did I not write steak?
Yes, you did write steak.
Right there.
Oh, yeah.
So we have white rice, mashed potatoes,
And the
potato
appetizer
salad,
is-
steak. Appetizers is
Fish.
saltfish fritters. We also
drinks.
have drinks, juice, pina colada, wine, and we have water and regular
Yeah.
juice. Dessert, we have ice cream cake and chocolate popsicles and candy.
Ice cream and then
So, and then they have just a little sing. So, yep.
and that's our little corner over there.
And then the kids them are gonna eat over there in the corner. So yeah, guys, that is our setup. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I am going to get Mr. Williams right now. He's upstairs, he's dressed, and he's ready to come down. So I'm going to get him right now and bring him down.
First I know this is really love, cause baby I'ma feel the love. Me need more than a single. Is it too soon to say I love you? This girl I do. I know those words are few, but I'll show you, cause everybody needs somebody.